Hi, I'm Dr Tim Pearce, Medical Director of SkinViva and SkinViva training here in Manchester. If you think about having dermal fillers around your cheeks, or perhaps if you're just wondering if they would even suit you, it's worth thinking a little bit about what the purpose of a cheek treatment would be. Broadly speaking, there are three reasons why we treat cheeks. The first one would be simply to make you fit the ideal ratios better, or another way of saying that in non-medical speak would be just to make you more beautiful. So there is a perfect ratio that we look for with the width of the cheeks relative to the nose, and if you're a little bit flat around your cheek, you're probably picking up that you're not matching this ratio. So a little bit of width in your cheek can give you just a more beautiful look. Sometimes that's also about changing the geometry of the face. So for some people, if you're relatively square in the face, by adding a little bit of volume to the cheeks, you make yourself a little bit more heart-shaped. And that's a common thing that you do for women. It also happens to be rejuvenating, which is the other reason that we do treatments. So it tends to be for most people that as you get older, you tend to lose volume around the lateral part of your face, over here, and that lets things sink downwards. So it's not just gravity, it's also about fat loss. And one of the benefits of a cheek treatment is that you're restoring fat in a point on your face that lifts everything beneath it. So some cheek treatments, if you look closely, you'll even see an improvement in their jawline. Certainly in the nasolabial fold, and sometimes in the fold here, you can get a small difference as well. So it's very rejuvenating because it lifts the tissues underneath. The third reason to treat a cheek would be to get the contours a bit more perfect. So this is partly anti-aging, but sometimes you see it in young people too, where some of the underlying anatomy starts to subtly disrupt the cheek. So you have a little shadow underneath your eye. You might see that the cheek ends slightly sooner than you would expect, or than is perfect. And you can just correct those make little adjustments and correct those contours and create a much smoother and therefore more beautiful shaped cheek by just looking for these small imperfections and getting them all curved round beautifully.